Those times when you don't feel like working, you're too tired, you don't want to push yourself, but you do it anyway. That is actually the dream. That's the dream. It's not the destination, it's the journey.
Mired in endless pain, have matured and become much more than a man.
Dude, I farted and I had to go to the bathroom, so.
Yes, I've grown from a man to God.
My name is Hakamori, an undead warlock. This is a story, not just mine, but one of the greatest guilds to have conquered the lands of Azeroth. Through trials, through tribulations, decimating the halls of Karazhan, subjugating the depths of Serpent Shrine Cavern, surmounting the floating dominion in the Nether, Tempest Keep, conquering the Battle of Mount Hyjal, and taking what was rightfully theirs through pain and strife. The Island Boys prevailed and overthrew the Black Temple, vanquishing Illidan and taking the throne that only few have ever seen. Enjoy Island Boys vanquishing Tier 6.
So proud of you, Haka. Come a long way.
Island boy, ay, I'ma just island boy, I'ma just island boy, I'ma get you white boy, you gonna keep that gun, I'll be just staring at the sun, I'm just fool gazing.
"4 years before the beginning of World of Warcraft, Archimonde led the attack on Nordersil, where the Island Boys' invasion thwarted the Demon Lord Archimonde and his army. This was a marathon, not a sprint. You fight waves of enemies until you fight a boss, then you rinse and repeat. It's pretty easy until you fight the damn last boss. Archimonde? This dude is so annoying. He hits like a truck. Me and my guild had a lot of trouble getting this fight down. I'll let the clips roll."
Okay, stand at fire. Fucking games. Fuck, I hate this boss. I can get everyone with their more project down.
Did get reversed.
3, 2, cheese. On to Black Temple. The looming dark ziggurat off in the distance that the soldiers of Azeroth have been waiting to take over. What a glorious sight to behold even walking into the place. The architecture, the enemies, the detail, it was glorious. All my hard work and everyone else has led to this moment right here. I've been looking at Illidan since 2007 when I would walk into GameStop. I would see the box cover for it, and I wish I could have played WoW back then. And never would I have thought 15 years later, I would be on my way to taking his throne.
High Warlord Nagentis,
The king of the Karabor sewers, and was given reign over them from Lady Vash and Illidan Stormrage. Nagentis isn't too hard. Someone gets a rock thrown at them and you take it off. He casts a big AoE spell that damages the raid. Just make sure everyone's topped off. Simple. We conquered the damn giant lizard and moved on to the next bastard.
Supremus,
The abyssal giant guarding the gates of the Black Temple. Just stay out of the volcanoes, that's it. It really is pretty easy if you can just stay out of the volcanoes.
Shade of Akama.
The dark portion of Akama's soul that binds Akama to Illidan's service. Shade of Akama is definitely one of my favorites, if not my favorite boss. You spam Seed of Corruption and absolutely decimate the room.
Terran Gorefiend.
One of Gul'dan's soldiers and a member of the Shadow Council. One of the first Death Knights. Every time I fight this guy, I think of Hot Topic. It's like you'd see the guy on an Asking Alexandria t-shirt in 2007. The fight's really easy, and his only ability he really uses that can screw the raid over is when he turns someone into a ghost. Then that person needs to fight off other ghosts. It's pretty cool, and it raises your DPS a ton. But beyond that, the fight is simple.
Gurtog Bloodboil.
Just got some good bath water last week.
The giant felt orc, security of the halls of the Black Temple. This is where things start to get difficult. This is what separated island boys from island men.
Or go directly to that target. That target has to do whatever they can to survive. Basically, a lot of the heals will be on that target. Okay? You get a DPS increase, and a little bit of a damage reduction from it or whatever. But if you die,
Reliquary of Souls.
The three-faced entity representing the essences of anger, desire, and suffering. I hate this fight. I barely do anything besides cast, and it takes forever. It has 3 phases.
Mother Shiraz.
A Shavara demon, and the leader of the concubines in the Black Temple. This fight was decently hard to master. She has an ability that teleports raid members away and causes a ton of damage to the group she sends off. So the best way to cope with this is to make gear that wards off shadow damage. Once we got everyone in the raid geared up, coached, and practiced, we destroyed her. We proceeded to one-shot her almost every week proceeding forward. Illidari Council. The strongest blood elves that Kael'thas escorted to the Outlands. A very lore-heavy boss. The prince left them in Shadowmoon Valley to advise and assist his master, Illidan's Stormrage, while he left for Netherstorm. The council vied for Illidan's favor and frequently schemed against one another, naming themselves the Illidari Council in a mostly ostentatious display. But Illidan acknowledged that they were exceptionally gifted in their respective fields. Gaethios the Shatterer, in matters of war and logistics, Varys Dark Shadow, in the realms of espionage and shadowing. Lady Melande's talent for upholding relations with Illidan's other servitors, and High Nethermancer Zeravor's arcane mastery. The council remained some of Illidan's most steadfast followers, even after their own prince's defection to the Burning Legion. We were so close we could taste it. It took us 7 to 8 weeks of progress just to get to these guys. It was as bitter as it was sweet. This shit was very difficult. These guys took 3 weeks to finally beat. The battle is also like a marathon, and the group shares the same health pool. But you can also get killed in less than a couple seconds if you're not careful by a multitude of attacks. You need to stay on your toes, pay attention, and pump damage. It was no joke of a fight.
Pump it!
Move from Lizard.
get out.
Die, you fucking bitches.
Keep your kicks going. Keep your kicks going.
Let's go!
We conquered Illidari Council, and everything to me felt surreal. Everything I had done, all our hard work led to this moment. We watched Akama open the doors to the roof, and Illidan waited for us patiently. Illidan. Oh, Illidan. An amazing fight. A difficult fight, and a wild fight. He has a lot of phases, and each one requires very good coordination by everyone in the raid. First phase, you pump damage. Second phase, 2 tanks have to separately and perfectly balance the 2 giant fire elementals. If one tank dies, the raid is over. After this phase is his shadow phase or something, but I don't really know. I just hit Shadow Bolt, And then
Kill this fucking bitch!
we killed Illidan. And to be honest, it was a moment of silence. Everyone was presumably exhausted at this point. Few of us were happy and cheering, but I know everyone was so happy. We were all just so tired. Also worn out by the journey leading to this point, that we could barely celebrate. We could only rest in our victory. We slept that night better than we had slept most nights in our lives. It was over, and the ones that stayed truly felt like brethren. World of Warcraft. It truly is another world you can live in. A world where you can become a master, a soldier, a leader, and anything you want. A land of adventure, chaos, camaraderie, war, mystery, and challenges. A game I've put hundreds of hours into, yet I've only scratched the surface. A game that teaches you a valuable lesson about delayed gratification, resilience, long-term consistent hard work, and how to, or not to, socialize and work with a team. This was a quest with the Island Boys to conquer the Outland. Thank you. This was our odyssey. You'll see me in the wrath of the Lich King.